Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word chiffonade in depth. First, the definition. Chiffonade means a culinary technique of slicing leafy greens into thin strips. Think of it simply as finely shredded leaves, like tiny ribbons. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Chiffonade traces back to the French word meaning little rags or shreds. Over time, it's been used by chefs and cooks in French and international cuisine. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use chiffonade in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She prepared a salad by cutting basil into a chiffonade to garnish the dish. Correct example 2. He learned to chiffonade spinach for his famous pasta sauce. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to chiffonade my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using chiffonade correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Chiffonade means a culinary technique of slicing leafy greens into thin strips. It comes from the French word meaning little rags or shreds, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with chiffonade down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.